get started with circle time. That means we're going to stand up. Start off with our pledge of allegiance, right hand on our heart. Eyes are on the flag, and we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Same hand goes our side. We say, I am somebody. I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we'll reach our dreams. All right, taking a look. It is the month of May. We are coming, so close to the end of it. Look at that. Here we go. Today is the 25th day of May. Tomorrow will be the 26th, so when I'm here for preschool on Wednesday. So we'll be back the next day, which is a Thursday. Let's sing our Days of the Week song. Are you ready to sing with me? Nice big voices. Days of the week. Clap those hands.
Days of the week.
Snap those fingers.
Days of the week. Days of the week.
Days of the week.
There's Sunday and Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. Thursday and there's Friday. And there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
Your turn.
There's Sunday and Monday. And Tuesday and there's Wednesday. Thursday and Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
Days of the week. And today is Tuesday, May 25th, 2021. Let's figure out what we need. Let's start right here. Remember, we need 3 of everything. So we have 1 kite, 2 kites, 3 kites. So we don't need any more kites. So now we're on to sun. 1 sun, 2 suns, 3 suns. We have all of our suns. Now we go on to kites. 1 kite, 2 kites, 3 kites. Do we need any more kites? No. So what's going to go right here? Sun. That's right. We're going to put a sun right here. What about tomorrow?
Sun.
Excellent job. All right. We predicted sunny weather today. It is not sunny outside. What kind of weather do we have outside? It is kind of chilly, but it is what? Is it sunny? It's not even sunny with clouds. It is cloudy. It looks like it wants to rain, but it is not raining. What about tomorrow? What kind of weather are we going to have tomorrow? Sunny. Yeah. That sounds good. Take some sunny weather tomorrow. All right, let's all join together and say our alphabet. Let me hear you. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. shape is this?
Circle.
What color is the circle?
Green.
Everybody, what shape is this?
Diamond or rounded.
What color is it?
Red.
Excellent. All right, my friends, what color is anger?
Red.
What color is disgust?
Gray.
What color are the elephants?
Gray.
Everybody, what number is this?
8.
What number?
2.
What number?
12.
What number?
4.
What number?
11.
11. All right, our nursery rhyme this week is rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little rain, rain, go away. Little children want to play. All right, what is this? Nickel. Very nice. The big one is a
Quarter.
tiny brown one. A dime. Penny. This one? Dime. Very nice. My goodness, look at all the letters we've done so far. We're getting close to the end. But this week is V. Does anybody know this little girl right here? It does look like Ava. Verlin. And then who's this? Vector. Making the letter V. Starting at the top, my turn. Big slide down. Big slide up. Join in with me. Fingers at the top. And we say, big slide down. Big slide up. Now if I wanted to put sound effects to it, I could say, big slide down. Whee! Big slide up. Whoa! Excellent. What letter did V make? V. What does V say? Bite that lip. Super. Very well done. Let's put our pieces back in format. Thank you for joining us for circle time. We'll see you on Thursday.